Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Best sharpening stones. Are you looking for the best sharpening stones in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best sharpening stones that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Chefic Sharpening Stone. The Chefic Bare Mu Whetstone Premium 2-in-1 Sharpening Stone features 2 different grits on the 2 sides, a 3000 grit side for the initial sharpening and an 8000 grit side for polishing and honing the blade edge. Because of its affordable price and versatility, this sharpening stone is a solid option if you're looking to touch up your everyday kitchen knives on a regular basis. Plus, it's compact and easy to store. This whetstone is a good option if you want an affordable, all-purpose sharpening stone. The 3000 grit sharpening side works for most knives, especially if you sharpen and maintain them regularly. However, knives featuring a hardened blade, like a powdered steel Japanese knife, will require multiple rounds with this whetstone to get the right amount of burning. While testing, we loved how the stone was easy to clean after we finished sharpening. Just rinse it off under running water and gently rub any markings off the surface of the stone. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kerye Japanese Whetstone Sharpener Set. This Kerye multi-piece set comes with 2 dual-sided stones of ascending grits, a pair of cut-resistant gloves, a strop, a dressing stone, an angle guide, and a bamboo stand to elevate the stone. The bamboo base has a slip-resistant bottom holding the stone well and preventing movement on the counter or inside the base. Its grits and accessories should essentially cover any sharpening job, from repairing nicks and chips to refining the edge. However, in practice, we saw that there wasn't enough variation between some of the grits to make a big enough difference. So, while we found it adequate for sharpening everyday use knives, we wouldn't use it on our more high-end blades. Still, although other stones we tested performed better on the sharpening scale, this one only managed to increase our blade's sharpness by 55%. The value for this set was evident from its ease of use and included accessories. Plus, it performs much better than similar kits within the same price range. So, if you're a beginner or a home cook who wants to try your hand at using a whetstone without too much of an upfront investment, then this is the set for you. At number 3, we have the King Whetstone Starter Set. The King Whetstone Starter Set includes a single, dual-sided water stone with one 1000 grit side and one 6000 grit. This level of abrasion makes it perfectly suitable for maintaining dull knives. However, it would require some extra work to repair nicks or chips in the blade, as a coarser grit is necessary for more in-depth repairs. The set also includes a plastic base that elevates the block off the table surface and keeps it stable, and an angle guide, which made it easier for us to maintain the proper sharpening angle with each pass. Unfortunately, the stone's overall length was slightly shorter than our 8-inch knife, so we had to work on the tip and heel of the blades separately instead of covering them in one fluid stroke. Still, we were incredibly pleased with the results of our tests. After we finished with the whetstone, our blade's sharpness ratings had improved by nearly 70%. And its sharpness proved to be just as effective in practice as the knife sliced effortlessly through paper, brunoised carrots with ease, and cut thin slices of tomato in one clean motion. Thanks to its practical accessories and ease of use, we think the King Starter Set would be a great choice for beginners who are just learning to use a whetstone. However, it could also work well for the seasoned professional who regularly maintains their knives. Plus, its quality is such that, if adequately maintained, the stone should have a good longevity. At number 2, We have the Smith's Tri-6 Arkansas Stone Sharpening System. This system features a coarse synthetic stone, a medium synthetic stone, and a fine Arkansas stone. Each stone is 6 inches long and color-coded to ensure quick identification of the desired grit. The stones are mounted on a molded plastic triangle with handles for easy stone rotation and easy-to-read stone identification. Switching to the next grit of stone is as simple as rotating the triangle in the provided cradle and adding a bit of oil. The simple, well-engineered system is a perfect setup for most any sharpening job. The well-built system on the best natural stone sharpener holds the stone high off the table, allowing the user unobstructed movement while sharpening. Smith's has also included an angle guide for finding the correct sharpening angle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Keenbest Sharpening Stone. The Keenbest Sharpening Stone is an inexpensive, easy-to-use set that comes with 2 whetstones, one with 401,000ths grit and the other with 3,008,000ths grit. The heavy-duty base is made of bamboo, with rubber on the bottom to keep it in place when sharpening, a convenience and safety feature. The whetstones are 2 different colors, a light green and a light orange, allowing the user to quickly identify the proper stone. It also comes with a resurfacer, otherwise known as a flattening stone, that is used to flatten the whetstones as they get worn away with use. Keenbest includes a leather strap and an angle guide. Everything you need to sharpen and maintain your blades is included. Keenbest also includes a helpful list of tips for using this system. There are more expensive stones on the market, but these stones are highly effective, and with a little patience and work, are great for getting that sharp cutting edge you're looking for.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.